What is that?
Making a bouncy ball.
Making bouncy balls? Have you done them before?
No.
This is the first time. Let's see what's inside. Oh wow, look at those colors. That is amazing. And that is how you do it step by step. Now that all the colors are out, what do we have to do?
We have to put sand in these.
So whatever color you want.
Big one.
You want to do the big one? Okay, and then after you put it in,
touch the bottom.
after you put that one in, what do you have to do?
You wait for 10 minutes for it to get wet.
So you put it in the water for 10 minutes?
And then take it out and let it dry for 10 minutes.
Yes, that's correct. So now you have to open the bags with the scissors. So you have to always be careful with the scissors. Which one? How do you hold the scissors safely?
Like this.
How do you pass them to someone else? Like that.
And
well
then
done.
they get it and they will leave.
That's good. And when you cut, where do the scissors point? Like that. So never towards yourself. So it's only a tiny bit, a corner. So what have you done, Besney? You filled both of them up. So what do we do now?
Put it in the water for 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes.
Can you put them down here, please?
Okay, so you can put the big one in this one. Be careful. I think you need to hold it.
Oh.
No? Leave it like that.
Oh.
Be careful. And this one.
That was much deeper.
And now we come back after 10 minutes. Good, so now we have to wait. This one here. It opened itself. Let's try it. Let's see if this works.
I can't open it.
You just have to open this side where it started, both sides. Pull it. Do it, do it, do it. Let me try. I don't know. I'll try. Oh wow!
You done it!
Look at those colors.
What?
That is cool color. Let's try this one now. Oh wow!
That one's better.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it bouncing?
Yeah, stick to my chair.
Oh wow! Try the big one.